Hi students and welcome to our part 4 directions. Yes, in the last section what we have seen all the compass, why it is useful. Okay, so in this section I will revision all that part. Okay, yes, okay students. So today we are going to see about the directions in all section which we have taken. In that all we have seen the directions. What are the directions? With the help of sun we can find the directions. How we can find the directions? Where there is a sun, that is the east way, eastern. Yes, because always sun rises to the east and sets in the west side. So in our surrounding the sun comes in front. Yes, the east come in front of me. Means this is the side of east. This is the side of west, because sun rises through the east and sets in the west. So this is west side. On the back side there is west. Then on the left side there is north, and here right side there is, which side it is? South. Very good. So when we have to find the directions, when we are here, so we can, with the help of that sun, we can find the directions. Where there is a sun, that is the east side. Okay, you now clear that? Where there is the sun, there is the east side, and left side there is north, right side there is south, and back side there is west. So this is clear to all? Okay. Then after that, how we can find the directions when we are going to a place? Yes, I want to go to Rohit. Okay, so where is his house? I don't know. So when he will tell me the neighborhood, means landmarks, sorry, when he will tell me the landmarks where he is staying, so I can find it very easily. Yes, see, here is Rahul's home. Yes, here is Rahul's home. So when I have to go to Rahul, that time he is told that there is a police station, there is a fire station. Yes, there is a fire station. After that, in front of there is my school. Yes, there is the school, and here there is the roads. Sorry, there are roads. Yes, there are roads. Yes, so what he said me, that my school is in front of my house. So from there, first he told that there is a fire station. After that, when he will go straight, there is a post office. Yes, then he will turn to the left side. So there, in front of that road, there is my school. Yes, sorry, there should be, in front of that there is my school. Here he will find the school. Then in front of that school there is Rahul's home. So he told me the neighborhood directions. So with the help of that directions I went to his house. Okay, this is also clear now. Okay, so we will go to the next. With the help of compass. Yes, there is a compass. I have shown the pictures. Yes, with the help of that compass I can find the directions. Means how we can find the directions? Here in front of in our surrounding there is a sun, but in other places if there is no sun, means there will be some clouds. So that time what we can do? We can find the directions with the help of compass. Yes, so here is the compass. This is the pin. The directions shows to the north, south, east and west. Yes, it shows like this, the compass. Yes, then with the help of that compass we can use and we can find the directions. For which people it is useful? where they are traveling from one place to another. That people, after that, jumping people means they are going from one mountain to another mountain. They can find the place. They can find the directions also very nicely. Then with the help of that compass, it is very easily. If we are also traveling from one place to another, it is also with the help of that compass we can find the directions very easily. This is our all the portion of that directions. Means I have cleared all the points of that directions. First is sun, after that landmarks, third is compass. Okay. If you have any doubt in these sections, this lesson, you can ask me in the chat box. Thank you.